guys, it's Challenges with Voltron Gaming with Dylan Rivera, and today we have a crafts today, and as you can see I have paper, and today we're gonna make a paper airplane and a boat. So right now we're gonna get started with the boat. So you're gonna need a piece of paper, bam, and then you're gonna fold it like a hamburger, like this, and then turn your paper like this, your hamburger like this, and turn it like another hamburger, I'm guessing. And to turn it like this one. When you turn it into a hamburger, you have to turn it again, and then you're gonna open it. There's a line, and then you're gonna get the corner, and then put it all the way to the line. But don't do the one where you can open, because we're gonna need that in just a minute, I'm guessing. And then once you have that, you have two pieces of paper up here, but it's just one piece of paper. So you're gonna get this side, bring it up, and just fold it. No, don't fold it. Just like bring it up and then just smooth it so it can stay like that. And so it's gonna look like this, and then you're gonna get this side and then just put it to the other side. Like that. You're gonna do it to the other side. It's not that hard. And you're gonna get this corner and then just bring it like that. And then once you have that, you're gonna get it, open it, and then turn it the other way. Or instead you're gonna keep it like that. So once you open it, you're gonna get the bottom, which has like two pieces of paper like that. And then you're gonna bring it up to the top. And then do it with the other side. So now you're gonna have a triangle. And then once you have that, you're gonna open it in the middle. And it's gonna look like this. A square with a line in it. And then you're just gonna get these corners and just open it. And then turn on, guys. There you have it, guys. It's boat! Thanks for watching, and I'll show you how to make an airplane now. You're gonna get a piece of paper. You're gonna fold it like a hot dog. Do I look weird today? Once you fold it, you're gonna get these two corners and bring it to the line. Once you have that, you're gonna fold it like this. And once you have this, you're finished. Your airplane. You're gonna get this corner and then bring it down all the way down to the piece of paper and do it with both sides. And then once you do that, you're gonna get to the corner and then bring it down again. do hope this airplane works because trying my best. And then once you open it, you have your airplane. Let's fly it. Look, I'm gonna show you how it flies. One more. Oh, it flies cool, but the tip broke. So that was it for today. Please subscribe, stay tuned, and one of my videos when I go to Hershey Park, I'm gonna show you how my airplane flies. And I am going to Hershey Park, so yay! I'm gonna make a video of all things, and it's gonna be posted in one of my playlists. Check out my playlist, and I'll see ya. Tomorrow. Bye! Psych, I'm gonna make a Play-Doh video, 2 Play-Doh videos today, and you're gonna see me with my same outfit. But if you don't believe that I didn't go to the carnival and think that I reposted my other carnival video, well, check this out. Does it say Reese's? Nope, I went to the Hampstead. So peace out, y'all.